Good morning America, the 26th of November 2025 news. The Kremlin said U.S. President Donald Trump's envoy Steve Witkoff and other key officials will visit Moscow next week to discuss a potential Ukraine peace plan. Trump said progress is being made and Russia has agreed to some concessions. Taiwan will introduce a $40 billion supplementary defense budget to show its resolve against growing threats from China. Beijing claims the island and has intensified military and political pressure in recent years, but President Lai Ching-te says Taiwan firmly rejects these assertions. Oil prices rose slightly after hitting a one-month low, though expectations of a supply glut and a possible Russia-Ukraine peace deal limited gains. Brent increased to $62.75 a barrel, while US WTI edged up to $58.19 in early trading. The yen strengthened on expectations that the Bank of Japan may raise interest rates as early as December. Meanwhile, the New Zealand dollar jumped after its central bank indicated the easing cycle was likely ending, boosting investor confidence in the currency. Hillhouse Investment has begun raising funds for a new $7 billion private equity vehicle, sources said, marking a key test of investor interest as Asian deal activity picks up. The firm, founded by Zhang Lei, continues expanding globally across major cities. Latin America is shifting to the right as Washington signals stronger backing for ideologically aligned governments, influencing regional risk pricing. Conservative leaders now head Argentina, Ecuador and El Salvador, while Bolivia has joined them and Chile's right-wing bloc is gaining significant political momentum. Europe's gas market has stabilized after replacing Russian supplies with LNG, a strategy unlikely to shift even if a Ukraine peace deal emerges. A potential end to the war may reopen Russian energy trade, but Europe's gas dynamics will remain largely unchanged. Gold hit a near two-week high after U.S. economic data strengthened expectations of a December Federal Reserve rate cut, pressuring the dollar. Spot gold rose to $4,156.89 per ounce, while December U.S. gold futures climbed to $4,154.10 early Wednesday. Britain's Finance Minister Rachel Reeves faces a pivotal moment as she presents a budget expected to include major tax increases. Sterling has risen 0.2% to $1.3193 in Asia, marking its fifth straight day of gains ahead of her 12:30 GMT speech. Aiden Holloway scored 26 points and Houston Mallette added 19 as number 8 Alabama cruised past UNLV 115-76 at the Players Era tournament. The Crimson Tide posted 64 second-half points, improving to 1-1 after losing to number 12 Gonzaga.